time o mo be transfer near no wa no na me wo problem kakra you na me problem is say was a KMA near metropolitan
baby awo haidi hey asukwa na
KMA okay metropolitan assemblies no ye kipun krofo na wo change o ma eno so won effect nti ye mu a ye ba assembly foforo na ete say ye de ne ba ne nyina ye ne me de na me bat na me ni ho for very long time afi na me banti no man show interest na to be honest papa ne buy no changes about came Senyor warrior street papa yeah so woni no anya bia de o Senyor na sa mi wo revenue for ne finance for ni bia e bi o mo complain den e kire me na me ne ma me hu ya me gitum no se ye adwuma na wo begiska at least they came adwuma no ono akọ ohwe hu se adwuma na yae den yae nana ayi anomo ye friends clean up exercise oni bi no nya problem na nka me gra me hu se KMA ye clean up exercise na wo so hu finance MFO no so to car na odi achire Senyor se odi achire e ko hewu se musimu di we beba ni nyina waboa ana ni checks and balances oye very ipa so Senyor di no to so to nchen a enioma all cutting it down ebu assembly no so ye siza ade a was start me kra me ntibi da me ye adwuma KMA as an assembly member so benya MFO in so will say oba radio so nka mo benya ne si amafre no na finances problem bi aba KMA o e bi asa atam yen ya pejam mama so I just say Francois no ye bre o ma didi o ma ntese obi aso oni adwuma bia ye biem enke afa budget na to ne the action plan ne akop and your opposition oni opposition aka ne akọ rounds esejo be kai mre bia menua kwadwobons na omo ye budget bi no omo ye desulting e de koye se adwumadie no na akai no so ma desulting kuma see the far desulting budget near far action plan near nam areas SCI ni etwa say John kuma see na adwo adwo ni ansa wo ye adwuma ni wi a ebedro no regional minister de ne be bakura no sa na wo betwe manso wo kuma see a wa mre bi yo mo ma twetwam koi wa kontokwa opposition na fie wo yire no mo ye po abo waja yire ho waja okọ obre na party no so ba power o ya ade na nyana akaka eno so so buofu na nso aba it is a John to be honest Mr. Owusu there and I'm sure that busa na chi was kwa me ba say me busa na na I was na why you very good the principles here ade na say ya mane hu say ni nyina yenye so that defense ba na ehu de be but so who be bu nu bukata wabua nti ye boni MF Michelle why are there radio here was started and I am time nye and very good and also motivating the property rate no on tiase ni tuaye ne ya ni say we put me influence we dey Mr. One very good na MFO we dey ye ho adwuma ne yeah it is good and maybe I catch no if possible on your budget and tone for this education assembly we have to approve for them but if one chain was can on track
I mean that's just
it's good
but I say nana obi ayi ne ko KMA de mo amen kan ho asem kakra yeah asem say we yasen ka bunyi we wa kra
osa ebusu apanyi o
osa
oh yes
okay